I'd like to move us along now with a bit of review for what we've already done with the choice 1 setup of the problem. And then I would like to explain this choice 2 that I alluded to in an earlier video. Okay, so in this case, we have 3 positions where we are expecting to have numbers. The first position box holds the percent, the decimal, or the fraction amount. Of is an operations word for multiplication. The second box after the of is really the whole amount that you're talking about. It's whatever your set is that you're thinking about. What percent of 36? Well, you'd have 36 items, whatever they might be. So that would be the of number. Is signifies the equal sign, and we do have a number after the is, so our 9 would go in this box. So this is what we don't know. Well, let's give it a y percent, because that's what it's asking. What percent? So y percent. Now our equation could be written y percent times 36 is equal to 9. If we draw a wall to signify the 2 sides of the equation, as you can see, we have numbers on both sides of the wall. So one of those numbers, the one that's connected with the letter, needs to jump the wall and go with numbers to numbers. We reverse a multiplication through division. The division is a mirrored image of what we're trying to get rid of, so 36. Whatever I do to the one side of the equation, I must be fair and do to the other side. 36 divided by 36 is 1, so it basically has neutralized itself. The only thing left on this side of the equation is y, the percent of y, is equal to whatever 36 divided into 9 is. So we'll do a side problem here to figure that out. We obviously need a decimal point and some zeros here. 36 divides into 90. Well, we're going to think about this as 40 because 6 is a power number. So 4 divides into 9 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 more is 7. Let's subtract. We all get 18. Bring down the next number. 4 goes into 18 this time, because 1's too small, 4 times. Let's come back to our actual number to do the calculation. 4 times 6 is 24, carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14. And when we subtract, this time we're going to get 36, which is exactly what our denominator is. So that means this pick was just a little bit too low. I'm going to have to bump the 4 up to a 5. 5 times 6 is 30. We're going to carry 3 this time. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, it works out perfectly. So our answer then is 0.25. Where we need to have a percent on this, so we can eliminate the percent sign if we move the decimal point on this side 2 places to the right. 25% is equal to y. Now let's see what happens when we do choice 2.